What's up, Southside Pyros? This is going to be the third video for the demo tonight. Again, we are out at NWI Pyros. Appreciate him having us out here. Check out his channel. We'll link it in our description. Definitely, you guys want store tours. He's got pretty much every friggin' store in Indiana that you can think of. So check out his videos and subscribe to his channel. Tonight, on this third video, we're going to do some Master Babes and then some 1-1s. So we'll start off with the pink Master Babe, then red, yellow, and then green. And then we're going to move on to the big boys here. Down here, we got Joker. Check out those boars. They go all over the friggin' place. So, Joker, 666 shot. That's is that 100 proof? I think it is. Yeah. I'm very excited to see that one. Over here we got Ready to Roll. These are all 1-inch bores. Compound cake. This one I'm excited to see. I haven't seen this one in a long time, so I don't even remember what it does. So we'll see. And then the last one we'll do tonight is going to be Child's Play. Another 100 proofer, 555 shots. Similar to Joker. I think Joker is better. But you guys comment below which one you guys like better, Child's Play or Joker, and then comment overall. Maybe Ready to Roll, beat them out both. You never know. So we'll get these lit up, and that'll be the end of the demo night tonight. So again, from earlier, you'll see this in previous videos. We did the 200 grammers first. We did the rockets, and then now we're doing the 1-1s and the 100-shot Master Babe cakes. So stay tuned, Pyros. We'll get this lit up. We're gonna burn the sky tonight and have a good time. See you shortly. All right, Southside Pyros. We are going on to the bigger cakes now. We're gonna be doing all four Master Babes at one time. So we're getting set up. We'll be with you here in a few seconds. God. All right, guys, we got Child's Play coming up here. 555 shots.
Child's Play, 555 shots. Adams Lighting, NWI Pyro.
Yep. Fucking May 2nd.
Child's
It's still
Play,
fucking cold out.
555 shot.
Freezing out here. Here we go.
Here we go. Banger. hold on.
Oh, hold on.
Ready to roll. 205 shot by Nunya.
Here we go, guys. Wow. Jesus.
Just rip. So loud.
Dude. Wow. Dude, that was awesome.
Nasty.
All right, here comes Joker, guys.
666 shot. Joker.
Wow. Holy shit. Oh my God. Holy shit, dude. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God. Holy shit, guys.
Nasty. Absolutely.
Oh my God. Dude, that thing is insane. Guys, once again, we are out at NWI Pyros. Thank you to him for having us out here. His demo night was killer. Wow, that Joker cake is awesome. I don't know, man. That Ready to Roll really was loud. But Joker, I mean, they're all just killer, dude. All right, guys. Thanks for joining us out here. We'll catch you guys soon again. All right. Hope you guys like the content. If you do, please subscribe, hit the like button, make some comments. What was your favorite cakes of the night, guys? Thank you. We'll catch you soon.